and welcome back to my channel. Almost there, almost there. Part 2 of clue 4, and wow, lots of stitches, but I'm almost there. Dip stitch is not that hard, but it looks very hard. I'm glad there is a video. So you see me counting here to the right amount and I'm dipping back. It does give a good effect, doesn't it? These long slip stitches. If I had to read it from the pattern, I didn't think I would have gotten this far. Very glad Stephen also does videos. And the last one, at least for this pair of 5. It looks lovely, doesn't it? And then Cat Assistant showed up. She really thought she needed some cuddles. Or maybe I needed some cuddles. 505 stitches. I don't think I've ever had that many on my needles before. Got a second round of the dip stitches done, and so am I. I'm done. I'm glad he gives an option to bind off early. I'm done. I need to block it, but I put on the tassels and I'm looking at it. I did make a change. I replaced some triangles with a dark triangle, so nothing is, that obvious anymore. And it's almost Halloween, and I made votive candles for my loved ones to honor them. And here's the result. I love it, looks very good. I do like a good tassel.